Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ibilolademodi here. If you're new, you're very welcome. I know it's been forever, but yeah guys, you should probably start following me on my Instagram. It's ibilolademodi and ibib's cuisine. I'm very active on my Instagram, and you know what, I will try to also be more active on here, but you should follow me on my Instagram. So yeah guys, let's just get right into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make banga soup. It's also known as ofeaku if I didn't order that in the Igbo land, which is a different ethnic group in Nigeria. This soup is absolutely delicious. Let's just get right into the video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make it. Okay, so for this soup, I'm going to be using different kinds of meat and fish. Feel free to use whatever you want. I just showed you some fried fish that I'm going to be using, some stocked fish, some habanero or scotch bonnet pepper. This is my stocked fish that I already deboned. This is called Beletete. Guys, I don't know how to describe this to you, but my mom got it from Nigeria. It takes the soup to a different level. I'm also going to be using some seasoning cube, some crayfish, some ground hot pepper, red pepper. I also use Cameroon pepper. I also boiled some chicken and some beef yesterday night. It's frozen right now, but yeah, that's what you see in the pot with the stock. What's banga soup without banga? So I'm not using the traditionally squeezed out banga and everything. This is just the processed one. Trust me, it tastes exactly the same. It's the same extract. It's banga basically. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. You want to get a pot and then put I opened the can of banga, and that's what you see me putting in the pot. I'm just putting it and just trying to kind of like separate it just so it's liquidy. I'm also going to add some water, as you can see, just to get the perfect consistency that I want for my banga. I love this soup so much because it's super creamy. It's so nice. It's just so delicious. This soup is from a different part of Nigeria. It's from Delta State and it's popularly known there. But you guys know I love to explore and I love to taste other foods from different tribes, so this is an absolute fave of mine. I put it in the pot and I cooked it for about 8 minutes just so it boils a bit. Now I'm adding some of the ingredients that I mentioned earlier. I'm adding some Cameroon pepper. Feel free to add the amount you like depending on how hot you like your soup. I'm adding some seasoning cube. I added some crayfish previously. I'm adding some salt. Also make sure you check the description box below because all of the amount of ingredients that I'm using will be listed there. I know some of you might be confused if I added some palm oil. I didn't add any palm oil. Banga is super oily. It has palm oil already in it. Palm oil is actually made from palm kernel, and that's kind of what I used for this soup. I'm adding my chicken, my beef. I also added some stock just to give it flavor. And yeah guys, that's basically it. I didn't fry my chicken. I didn't do anything to it. This is just boiled. I'm adding my stock now. Feel free, like I said, to use whatever protein you like to use, or whatever fish or whatever you like to use. People make this basically a lot with catfish, but I love it with catfish or chicken or beef. Everything is fine for me. This soup is absolutely amazing. So guys, after adding everything, you want to mix it all together so it's properly distributed everywhere in the soup. You don't want some part to be delicious and some to be bare. So I'm mixing it all together. together, you want to cover this up and cook for another 8 minutes. Trust me guys, this soup is one of the easiest soups I've ever made in my life. Maybe because I prepped it a night before, and by prepping I mean I boiled my chicken and my meat and my stockfish, but it was super easy and it didn't take me time to make. I just added some stockfish and I'm mixing it all together again. If you're confused on how I boiled my meat, check my previous videos on YouTube. I have different videos of me showing how I boil my meat. I basically just use seasoning cubes, some spices that I absolutely love, onions, and I boil till it's tender. So sorry that I skipped this part in this video, but I have other videos where I showed how I boil my meat. Please taste your stew. You don't want it to be too spicy or without seasoning, so that's what I did. And after 8 minutes, guys, look at this gorgeousness. Like this soup, oh my god, it was just too good to be true. Like every time I make it, I'm absolutely in love with it over and over again. So I added some more red pepper because I just thought it wasn't as spicy as I wanted it. Another thing that I didn't mention earlier in this video is the crabs. So I added some crabs. I love crabs. Use whatever you like, guys. There's no instruction or specifics to whatever you can put to your banga. You can put catfish, crayfish, lobsters, whatever you want, depending on what you like. So I'm just mixing it all together. I'm going to be adding my fried fish in a bit, and yeah guys, just cook for another 10 minutes and yeah, your soup is ready. A trick to knowing that your soup is ready is when the oil comes up, just like what you can see in this video. That's how you know it's ready. So guys, I'm just adding my fish, my fried fish. The reason why I'm adding it lastly is because you don't want it to scatter or just break in the sauce or the stew or the soup. You don't want that happening, so gently mix it. Trust me, I was looking at what I was doing. I wasn't just smashing it all together. So you want to gently mix it so you don't have broken fish or broken fishes in the soup. Okay guys, so after cooking for about another 8 minutes, look at this gorgeousness. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, so amazing. So we're going to be adding my beletete. Trust me, if you don't have this, it's fine. There are a bunch of ingredients that I didn't use and it still came out nice. It's still banga soup. I mean, the traditional banga soup has the banga steak, it has the banga seasoning, but this is fine guys. I'm happy I got the beletete, so I just added that. This gives it a really nice flavor, a very nice aroma. It just gives it that very nice banga taste. So yeah guys, after this you want to just cook it for another 5 minutes and your banga is ready. You can eat this with rice, you can eat this with pasta, you can eat this with starch, which is what they basically eat it with. I've never had it, so I don't know how that tastes. But yeah guys, on this day I had it with pounded yam and it was absolutely delicious. You can eat it with eba. You can basically, I feel like you can eat this with anything. Some people even eat it with rice, banga rice. So yeah guys, do try this out. Let me know how it comes out. If you're like in the abroad like myself and you don't have all of the ingredients, you can still try this. Trust me, it would still be amazing. Leave me a comment to let me know how it goes. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do, and follow me on Instagram, ibilolademodi. Everything will be in the description box. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for everything, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.